Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called TimeSocial, and perhaps you're wondering, can you really make money with this website, right? You can see income proof here. You can see that it says get paid for playing games, taking surveys, using social media. It looks like a typical GPT website. Well, let's see whether this is legit or not, or whether this is a real site or fake site. How much can you really make, and is this worth your time, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home, go ahead and click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email if you want to check that out. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Lots of websites like this, they're called GPT websites, lots of survey sites, video games, different business models. And some of them are great and you can really make some decent money, but a lot of them are actually a little bit of a waste of time and don't pay you that much at all. So let's see how TimeSocial stacks up with all these other make money strategies, okay? Now, first of all, I've reviewed quite a few of these types of websites. Now, if you look at this website, it looks really legit, okay? Like you scroll through it, it's really nicely done. It's got a very clear path of how you can make money, right? But let's take a look at it to see whether there are any red flags, okay? Because that's very important. I don't want you to be wasting your time on a website like this, even though it does look very, very legit, okay? So first of all, let's go to the top, okay? And when you scroll down, it says sign up for 100% for free, and you get a limited time bonus. All new users will receive a $45 bonus. Now, first of all, I would just want to let you know I've reviewed hundreds of these types of websites, right? So any GPT website that offers you a $45 bonus just for signing up for free, you're not really doing anything, is a huge red flag for me, all right? Because a lot of the GPT websites, the legit ones, they will only give you between a $1 to $5 bonus. $45 is unheard of. That's not industry standard. So anytime I see numbers like this, it kind of raises alarm bells for me, because it's like, okay, why are they giving you away so much money? Because $45, if you multiply that by the thousands of people that will sign up to this website for free, that's a lot of money, right? So let's take a look at some of the other things. So big red flag already, okay? It doesn't sound real. Step number 2, earn money by referring your friends, testing apps, posting on social media, completing short surveys. That's all, sounds pretty legit, okay? And then you can get paid through PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, pretty standard stuff, right? Now let's look at some other things, okay? So if you scroll down here, right? The other thing that I want to mention is that, a big giveaway for these kinds of GPT websites is when you click on their social media links, they either don't work or they're just a link for you to promote the website even more. It's not actually a Facebook group for TimeSocial, right? Now, all big companies have social media accounts, okay? So if I click on Facebook, this technically should go to the TimeSocial Facebook page. But when I click on it, it doesn't go to the Facebook page. It goes to a little banner where you can promote TimeSocial. Now, why would they do that? Think about it. They want you to send more people to TimeSocial, but they don't actually have an official Facebook page. That is a huge red flag for me, okay? Imagine if a company like Tesla, if you clicked on their Facebook link, they didn't actually have a Facebook page. They actually tried to promote the company. That's very weird, isn't it? Why would people want to send you back? Now, I'll explain a little bit why more later on, okay? Now, let's look at the Instagram link. The Instagram link doesn't work at all. That's a big red flag for me, okay? Big companies or a legit company should have all their links sorted out. Twitter, if you click on it, it's a promotional link for Twitter, or X as it's branded right now. I have to sign in and stuff like that, right? And then it would basically promote. And it's the same for all the other social media links. So big red flag right there, okay? If this was legit, all of these social media links would work, and it would be linked to their actual page, the company page, not a banner promotion for you to send people back here, okay? So their goal obviously is to try and get as many people to sign up to this page as possible, to this website as possible, and I'll explain to you a little bit later why, all right? Now, let's just say you decide to sign up, okay? So you can sign up from anywhere in the world, and if you register for this right now, they're going to, it says, now it says $50 bonus. That's a huge bonus. Why would they be giving you $50 for nothing? It doesn't make sense, right? Now, you give them a lot of really important details, your full name, your username, your email, and your password, right? So they've got all this private information from you. You register, and once you register, you go into their back office, all right? And what you'll see that in the back office, there are a few things that you can do. First of all, you can fill in surveys, like they said here, okay? Now, they're gonna pay you $45 per survey that you fill out. That for me is a massive red flag. I've reviewed a lot of different survey websites. Maximum, most good legit survey websites will pay you anywhere from 50 cents to $2 per survey. Sometimes on a very, very, very rare occasion, like a blue moon is rising, right? You might get $5 or $10. But no survey website will pay you $45 per survey. It just doesn't exist. That is not an industry standard. So for me, massive red flag. Why are these guys able to pay you so much when 99.9% of the other survey websites don't pay like that at all? Big red flag. Another big red flag is they want you to promote this website. Okay, so they want you to become a referrer, grab your referral link, and they say, you see here, referring friends, right? They say that if you refer a friend and you create a video on Instagram or Snapchat or TikTok or YouTube saying that you've made money with TimeSocial, okay, and then you use a referral link, they will pay you for Instagram $30, for Snapchat $92, for TikTok $92, and for YouTube $42. Think about that for a second. Why would they pay you so much money to promote the website when you actually haven't made any money? So here's the thing. That's why you'll see on social media there are so many people saying that they've made a lot of money with TimeSocial when in reality they haven't made a single dollar. Okay? Again, big red flag. I've reviewed other websites like this that do the same thing because they're just trying to expose TimeSocial to as many people as possible to get as many people to sign up and put their important, crucial details in the website. Okay? We'll talk about why they want to do that later on. Now here's the cherry on top for me, and this is why I think that this is not a real website, right? Now, I went to a website called who.is, okay? This basically will tell you when any domain was registered on the internet. So I took timesocial.cc, I plugged it in, and it says that you can see right here, right? Timesocial.cc. It says that it was registered on the 30th of November 2022, okay? That means that anybody who got any results from this website, it has to be after November 30th, 2022, right? Now, if you go to TimeSocial and you go to payment proof, you're going to see that there's a whole bunch of payment proof that is happening before the website was even registered, which doesn't make sense, right? How is that even possible? Look at this. October 2nd, 2022. That means this person made money a month before the website was even created. How is that possible? The domain wasn't even registered, right? So look at this one, October 2022, also a month before, right? Look at this, September 2022. That's 2 months, September, October, November, yeah, 2 months before TimeSocial was ever created. How is that even possible? Look at this one, September 2022, okay? Not possible, guys, all right? So another thing that I want to mention is that the amounts that people are getting paid is insanity. $1,111, $2,323. Out of all the GPT websites I've ever reviewed, it is impossible for you to make that much money from a GPT website. Most of them will pay you per day, and it's usually about $1, $2, $3, $4, maybe $5. It's around that range, okay? GPT websites do not allow you to make this much money because of the business model. So as soon as you start seeing thousands of dollars for this style of website, that's a massive red flag. But I mean, the biggest red flag is really the date, right? Look at this one, September 13th, 2022. This website was only registered 2 months after. How is that possible? It's physically impossible for that to happen unless these are doctored payment proofs and these aren't real, okay? Which is probably the case. So the big question is why did they create this website when everything is fake, right? Well, here's why they do it. This is basically called an info gathering scam, okay? What they want is they want you to sign up and they want you to give them all of your private details, and then what they'll do is they're going to sell this on the black market. That's what it is, okay? So they don't care about whether you actually fill in surveys or whatever. You can do all that, and in the background it looks like you're making money, but when you try to withdraw, they don't ever actually allow you to withdraw, okay? And I would say, look at this, new payment sent, $798, not possible for you to make this much money on a website like this, right? So what I would do is I would just stay away, okay? I would stay away from this website because I think that you're gonna waste a bunch of your time. I mean, if you want, you can check it out, but I'm very, very sure, almost guaranteed, that you're gonna get to a point where you're gonna try and reach the threshold. By the way, their threshold to withdraw from PayPal is $150. That is crazy high, okay? Most GPT websites, the threshold is $5 to $10. So why are these guys having such a high threshold? Is because they don't want you to reach the threshold. As soon as you start getting close, They're going to say things like, well, you have to recommend 50 more people, or you have to get 100 more referrals before we can release your money. Anytime a company does that, it doesn't make sense. That's huge red flags right there, because they don't intend to pay you out at all. So if I were you, I would just stay away from TimeSocial. Now, don't get me wrong. There are GPT websites out there that are legit. It's just that this one right here is not legit, okay? Now, let me give you a couple of examples of good ones, which are exactly like this, but they are real websites, okay? So ysense.com is very similar. Look at this. Paid surveys, cash offers, referrals. This is a real website. This one will actually pay you a few dollars a day if you leverage it for a few hours a day, okay? The same as this one. Swagbucks. This is a legit one too. Okay, very similar as well. All right. So you fill in surveys, you take paid offers, you play games, things like that. They will also pay you again a few dollars a day, $1 to $5, depending on how many hours you spend on the website. But never expect to make $900, $2,000, $3,000 from a website like this, and certainly not on TimeSocial, because this is a fake website. Stay away from it. Okay, so that's my review of TimeSocial. I would just stay away from this completely. All right, but if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate some additional income for yourself. Maybe you know that the internet's powerful. There's lots of websites and strategies and business models that you can leverage with the internet if you know where to look, okay? I've been online for over 14 years, and my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month is a very specific strategy. And if you just click the link below, I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email, and you can check it out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of TimeSocial. Be careful with this website, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.